Hi everyone!
If you want to see how we made this beautiful golden canvas, then join us on this video. So to start with, we need some cardboard paper,
Scissors,
colored sheets or gold foil paper,
and tape.
Okay, great. Let's start. So we're going to cut out some squares, rectangles, different sizes. Okay.
And make sure you have good scissors.
All right.
Cardboard. So we got two. So one for my mom, one for me.
Okay. Now let's start with how much paper do you need? No, we don't need to use the whole thing. So you just need to sort of cover one side.
Yeah.
And be able to. So cut it out, and then we're just going to wrap it around it. Scotch tape. My helper. One more. Okay. And then these sides I like to.
We have a special way. It helps. So then the edges don't get smudgy.
It looks neater.
Yeah, it looks neater.
Scotch tape, please.
You just two triangles and then like fold them in, and then it'll look like that, and it'll look so neat at the end. Good.
Great. So it's gonna look like this on this side, and then like this on the other side.
And this is where you're gonna be putting the glue.
And so we're back, and we've made lots of these squares, and now we're ready to put them onto the canvas.
Yep.
Now before we put them onto the canvas, we are going to be sticking some gold foil sheet onto the canvas to cover the sides and to cover some bits here so that the white background doesn't show. Let's start these. Now, I'm gonna get these strips. You're gonna use this straight side and stick it like that.
Okay. Burned myself.
It's not that hot. Be careful when you're working because it's a bit hot.
Yeah, with the hot glue gun, it really burns.
So we've covered both sides.
And we
You
just
see?
put a
Like
bit of
this?
gold paper
Like this, and we put a few squares onto the canvas.
for a background.
Now we're going to start sticking the pre-folded squares. Come on, Sis. Pick one of the big ones. Okay. And actually, let me put some next. Okay. Now I think this will be nice here. Ooh, perfect. Looks amazing.
Maybe I should be the one who sticks them on. Right?
Let's start with the big squares first.
Actually, that would be better.
Yeah, let's start with this one.
And if you run out of cardboard,
Did you make more? What about here?
what do you think of this one? It's big.
Starting to look a little bit better, but it's still gonna need a lot of work.
Yeah.
clear out, now that we've finished sticking on all the different squares and we've covered up the whole canvas,
Yeah,
we're just gonna we're going to clear out all the glue strings
from the cheekiness.
and we're done.
And we're done now.
What do you think? You like it, Cease?
I love it.
It's just got so much movement. Look at it. It's got so much movement. If you enjoyed watching us making this canvas,
Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you later with another craft. Bye!